Okay, so hello friends, today we'll do the unboxing of this new Redmi 4A, which is a budget-oriented device by Xiaomi, and it sells in Amazon for a pricing of about rupees 6,000. And as you can see that it is a made in India product. So without wasting any time, let's unbox this. Okay, so let's unbox it. So first we have the device itself, and I've ordered the golden variant, so that's the golden variant. So let me keep the device to the side. Then we have some paperwork, and regarding the SAR value quoted is about 0.596 watts per kg. So that's the SAR value. Next we have the charging brick, and the output at 5 volts is 1 ampere, so it's not a fast charger. And then we have the normal USB 2.0 port, and finally the SIM ejector tool. So let me keep these things to the side and let's look at the device. Okay, so here we have the device itself, and initial impressions, it's pretty light. The weight is around 131.5 grams, so it's pretty light. Now coming to the back, we have the aluminium back except the bottom layer and the top layer, which is made up of plastic, and also the covering on the power on off button and the main and the volume rockers is also made up of plastic. Now let me give you a physical overview. At the top we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, the IR blaster, and the secondary noise cancellation microphone. Now at the right we have the power on off button and the volume rockers, and the buttons are quite firm. Now at the bottom we have the charging port and the main microphone, and on the left we have the opening for the SIM and the micro SD card tray. So just let me show you the tray. So here we have the tray, and as you can see that it's a hybrid solution. You can insert 2 micro SIM or 1 micro SIM and 1 micro SD card, so it's a hybrid solution. Now talking about the display, it has a 5 inches full HD display, that is the 1080p screen, and at the top we have the 5 megapixel shooter, and at the back we have the 13 megapixel shooter along with the flash, and at the bottom we have opening for the speaker. Okay, so the specs overview is it has a Snapdragon 425 processor, which is a 64-bit processor with Adreno 308. It has a 3120 mAh sealed battery. It also has a 13 megapixel rear facing camera and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. It also has a hybrid SIM solution where both the SIM slots support 4G. It also have a 5 inches full HD display, which is a 1080p display, and the internal storage is 16 gigabytes and it is expandable up to 128 gigabytes. Okay, so just finished setting up the device, and yeah, it did take a lot of time. Though I haven't signed into my Google account, it did take around 4 to 5 minutes to set up the device. So here we have the device set up, and now let's go to the settings. And one thing to notice is that the auto brightness sensor is not that accurate. It keeps on fluctuating, and the sensor is not that accurate. So let me turn it off and adjust it. We get pre-installed MIUI 8. So let's go to the settings about phone. So the Android version which we are getting is Android Marshmallow 6.0.1, and the Android security patch level is of February, and it has the MIUI version 8.2. so that's the MIUI version, and the RAM installed is 2 gigabytes, and out of the internal memory, out of the 16 gigabytes we get 8.24 gigabytes available, so almost 50% difference. And let's check if we have any software update. So no, we are getting the latest update. Now this was the setting, so just let's check the apps installed. So pretty less bloatware. I have installed the CPU Z, and some of the pre-installed bloatware is the Facebook, the WPS Office, the Flipkart, and the Swift Key, and the Amazon Kindle. And we have the Mi remote, that means we can control wirelessly our devices. And then we have the Mi Store, the Music Explorer, Notes, and we have the compass. So we have the compass sensor, as you can see. So we have the compass sensor, and the MIUI specific apps and the Google application. Uh, the Google Duo is also pre-installed, and pretty less bloatware and a clean MIUI interface. So that's all what we get. And let's check out the sensors. So it has the accelerometer, the magnetometer, and the gyroscope. So it's pretty good to see that at such a cheap price we are getting a lot of sensors, and also the Air Blaster 2, which is very rare in some of the devices. So let's quickly fire up the device, fire up the camera. So this is the front facing camera, and it is the rear facing camera, and we get the tap to focus, and the shutter speed is also quite fast. Just let me click the photos, and as you can see from the sample, the photos come out to be good, so I have to test it out. And that's about the camera quality. Okay, so I hope you have found my video helpful. So if you found it helpful, please, I would appreciate if you click the like button, and please share it to your family members and your friends. And if you have any specific questions, do not forget to post in the comment section below. And I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.